Hey fiddlers, here's a short tutorial on how to play Red-Haired Boy. It's in the key of A, which has three sharps in it. It has F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. The G sharp will come up. But the weird thing is that at times, because it's a modal tune, it uses a G natural at times. It kind of teeter-totters in the chords between A and G. So that gives us the G natural. So it starts on an E. I'll play the tune first through, and then I'll do a little bit of teaching of it. Starts on E to open A. Sharp. High A. Shallow viola, of course, you can be an octave lower. Very scale-like. There's the G natural, but sharp here. Natural. B section, G natural. Borrowed from the A part, like a lot of tunes. B again. Good, so that's the basic tune for Red-Haired Boy. I'm going to teach you some of those parts right now. Just break them down a little bit into bits. Again, stop, rewind, whatever the video to your desire so you can learn at your own pace. So it really starts on an A, but it starts on, so A, G, E. E, A, G sharp, A. Again. And now from that very A, I'm going to go all the way up an A scale. And then I'm going to go from that very E, E, F sharp, E, C sharp, D. Here's the beginning. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Good. And now it goes C sharp, D, E scale. A. So A, B, C sharp, A. And then B, G, E, F, G. And it starts again. Let me play all that so far. And then it starts again. Same. And then it goes C sharp, D, E, high A. C sharp, A. That is again, C sharp, D, E, high A, high B, high A, G natural, E, D, C sharp, A. Again. Whole A section. Notice the bowing too when you get the notes. Good. So it does a lot of, instead of a, there's a lot of slurring, which is two slurred, two separate. That allows us to really play it fast. And now the B section only borrows a little bit. It only changes a little bit, and it borrows a lot from the A section. So it goes. That's E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E over and over. C sharp, and this is borrowed from the A section. Still borrowed. Still borrowed. The one thing about this video is I've been doing two different kind of pickups, and we'll settle on one, but sometimes I play A, G, E, and sometimes it's G, F, E. We'll get that little idiosyncrasy. Don't get hung up on that part. So here's the whole B section, which is basically the A section. So 3 and E. I'll play the whole tune. B. And I'll go to the ending. Here's the ending. It's tagged on high A. And the intro part is A and E, both on G and D strings, and I go. It's quite fast. So the speed of that goes into this. So on a normal speed, Red-Haired Boy would be. So it would be like. It was hard to do the syncopation while singing, but that's the idea. Okay, that's a lot, but take it piece by piece. Just try to learn a section of that every day. Keep adding to it. You can do it. Red-Haired Boy, Fiddler's Theme Song. Awesome. Yeah, I'll also include, for those of you who learn this really super quick and want to play some harmonies, a low harmony and a high harmony, and it can be played in 3-part harmony, and it's just really, really fun. So, cool. Yeah, bye.